I'm Brent with Ball Brothers Pythons, and we have another unboxing today, and this one is coming from Casa de Fuego. What is it?
Boas.
Alright, Casa de Fuego boas. And this will be my second boa I've gotten from him, and he is awesome. If you're thinking about getting a boa, contact this guy. He holds all his boas. They're not just breeders. They're pets to him. And this is the biggest box that we've gotten so far. So I'm really excited, but I'm also nervous, I have to say. Because she's looking kind of large. All right. Make sure there isn't anything else in there. Alright, we'll set her down. Thank you, Pablo. That's actually his name. Thank you very much. Oh my God, he is right. She is beautiful. Yes. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Oh my God, look at her. She's a little chilly. I'll warm you up. Dad will warm you up. It's all right. Hi, pretty girl. Look at you. Look at you. Oh my God, look at her head. Can you see her head? Hi, baby. It's all right. It's all right. Oh, look at her. Look at you. Oh my God, you're beautiful. This is a Dumerils boa. Hi, pretty girl. We'll keep you away from the dog. He might scare you. He won't bother you, but he might scare you. Hi, pretty girl. Hi. It's okay. It's okay. You're gonna get to love me. I love my snakes. You see? You see her head pattern? Her head pattern. Man, she is beautiful. Beautiful. You are. It's okay. Yeah. Oh my word. Love her patterns. Oh, she's such a beautiful, beautiful girl. Oh, she is a female. Sorry. I'm still in awe of her. See her belly patterns? There we go. Now she's hanging on. Now you're hanging on to Dad. And this is Roxy. I decided to call her Roxy. Oh my word, she's so beautiful. You are. You're so beautiful, girl. You are. You is a beautiful girl. You really are. She's got like purples and almost like pinks on her sides. I don't know if I want you near my face yet. I don't know if I want you near my face yet, girl. I know, you're trying to smell me, huh? We're gonna get a weight on her, and then we'll get her put in the tub. We'll get her put in the rack. Oh my word, you're so beautiful. Thank you so much, Pablo. You don't even know. Oh my God, I just love her head. Her head is amazing. I love the oranges. She's got like oranges. Oh, she's beautiful. She is beautiful. What you doing, girl? I don't know about being around my face yet. We both got to gain trust together there, girlie. Oh, she's strong. She's really strong for such a small snake. That's a good girl, holding right on though. Holding right on. Yeah. Ah. Oh, we're gonna have so much fun with this girl. Oh, here we go. Am I gonna get bit in the face? Oh, she's beautiful. Look, she's trying to constrict now. Where's her head? Can you see it?
It's over your shoulder.
Diesel, say hi. Say hi to everybody. You gonna say hi? Uh-huh. Alright, well, I guess we're just gonna go ahead and enjoy this girl, and thanks for watching this unboxing. I hope everybody liked it. Oh, buddy. Alright, have a great day.